This 2023 CrossRoads Hampton HP378DBB is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new CrossRoads is 41 feet 8 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 4, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, slideout, stove top burner, awning, microwave, oven, TV, water heater, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 CrossRoads Hampton HP378DBB is 11,546 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.